We'll take you east to a time lapse from our sky camera at the Oregon's Veterans Home in the Dalles with an extreme cold warning in place for parts of the gorge, as Matt said, and also the Hood River Valley.
Of course, that means a pretty bitter wind chill out that way. Our Daisy Caballero has the latest from Hood River.
David, Christine, good evening. Yeah, locals tell me that they are not too concerned because they're used to these gusty winds and very chilly temperatures. But they tell me, yes, of course, they are taking the needed precautions and bundling up a little bit more than they usually do. Now, this extreme cold warning kicks in tonight at 7 and lasts all the way through tomorrow at noon, impacting the western and central Columbia River Gorge from Corbett to the Hood River Valley. Temperatures will drop to the teens overnight, but the wind chill will feel close to single-digit temperatures, maybe even to 0 degrees in some locations. So we spoke with locals on their afternoon walk earlier today to ask how they're feeling ahead of this upcoming weather event.
It's kind of like rain in Portland.
It's pretty normal here. I think, the extreme weather is kind of what we get a lot of in the winter, so I think we're always prepared for anything.
The cold's not too bad. It's clear. It's kind of nice. Anyway, it's not raining, so that's good.
Now, here are a few tips to better prepare yourself for these conditions. Dress in layers and cover all exposed skin. Limit or avoid time outdoors during this weather event. That includes your furry friends. Please don't forget that and make sure they're bundled up too. Just like little Miss Ruby here, who decided to cut her own walk short because of those chilly conditions this morning, according to their owner. And since we've been here at around noon or so, winds have started to pick up and will only continue into the overnight hours and also through tomorrow. Back to you guys.